I have a washer with error code e01 f07, a whirlpool duet.
What happened just before your washer displayed this message?
It is ready to go into spin.
How long has this been going on with your washer? What have you tried so far?
A few weeks, replace the control board but acts the same.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
It is model WFW 9250WL00.
Hello, sorry to hear you are having trouble. I'm Joel and will be glad to help you today. That error means the control can't tell what the motor is doing, which can be caused by either a bad tachometer on the motor, which would mean the motor needs to be replaced, or a bad motor control unit, MCU, the electronic control board that controls the motor. If you have a meter and want to test to see which is bad, below is the information you need to determine if you have a bad tachometer or a bad motor control board. Disconnect the wire harness from the MCU, 5-pin connector coming from the motor, and measure the resistance from pin 4 to pin 5, red wires. The approximate resistance is 117 ohms. Normal equals 115 and dash, 120 ohms. Abnormal equals infinity or short circuit, 0 ohms. If the tachometer tests bad, replace the motor. If the tachometer tests good, then replace the motor control board, MCU. If you have gotten the information you need and don't have any further questions, please let me know by at least responding back with thank you, so I know you don't need anything else.
Is the control board the same as the MCU? If so, I just replaced it and it still doesn't spin.
Yes, it's the same, so that would mean the motor is bad, unfortunately.
Okay, thanks. For sure.
I appreciate it.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.